Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play I Love on drums using an easy method. First, let's establish the basic rock beat. You'll play the hi-hat on every eighth note, keeping a consistent pulse. The bass drum will hit on beats 1 and 3, giving us a strong low end. Then, the snare drum comes in on beats 2 and 4, providing that essential backbeat. This simple pattern forms the core of the song. Now let's add a little flair with an open hi-hat. On the and of beat 4, you'll briefly open the hi-hat. To do this, lift your foot slightly off the pedal as you strike the cymbal. Then, quickly close it again for a crisp, short sound. This small addition creates a signature feel for the song, making it more dynamic and recognizable. Practice this transition smoothly. To add more interest, we'll incorporate a simple tom fill. At the end of every 4-bar phrase, play a quick descending fill. Start with the high tom, then move to the mid tom, and finally the floor tom. Each tom gets 1/8 note, creating a smooth, flowing sound. This fill acts as a perfect transition, signaling a new section or simply adding a bit of rhythmic variety to your playing. Now it's time to put all these elements together. Begin by playing the basic beat, then integrate the open hi-hat on the and of 4. Practice the tom fill at the end of your 4-bar phrases. Start at a slow tempo, focusing on precision and smooth transitions. As you gain confidence, gradually increase your speed. Listen to the original song to truly capture its feel and energy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.